Crew, despite the world and country situation, we can't stop. We won't stop. We will continue to produce cutting-edge technology. So batten down the hatches. Let's do this. Nautilus, the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro team, dedicated to the development of autonomous vehicles. The only one from South America to compete in RoboSub. Our team is composed by 5 areas. Management is responsible for evaluating the team's performance, as well as mapping our goals and how we can achieve them. Also, we report all of our steps, documenting our achievements and failures, so we can always improve. We are also responsible for the team fundraising, searching for sponsors and partners, the internal organization, and the team communication, attending all technical meetings, and documenting all that's going on in the internal areas. This year, despite the pandemic situation, our team chose to make the best of it, so we decided to develop our new AUV. There were many challenges, but through several online meetings, we managed to organize ourselves in order to run the project and get new sponsors for the team. Marketing is responsible for the team image. Showing the best that the team has to offer, we seek to demonstrate to the students, science community, and sponsors our full potential and how much we can achieve on the autonomous technology field. The electronics are responsible for integrating the mechanical parts to the software developed for the AUV. The sub-team works on implementing communication protocols between the components of the sub, as well as guaranteeing all of its electrical safety. The main electronic project this year was to create a full system capable of making the acquisition of external acoustic data. This system is built to capture acoustic data of a given frequency, which is then processed and read by the main computer. Besides that, we focus on making the AUV easier to maintain and operate. In order to do that, we develop a functional telemetry system giving the operator real-time information on the sub status and battery level. The Hydrodynamics and Mechanics team is responsible for guaranteeing the protection of the electronic components from the water. It also develops prototypes of different structural components and additional projects such as torpedoes, drop markers, and mechanical arms. Some of these components are the frame and the thruster support. In order to do that, we use SolidWorks and ANSYS for the elaboration of 3D models and simulations. We are also responsible for the AUV's modularity, which makes it easier to make changes and improvements, as well as the selection and sometimes fabrication of the materials, and the locomotor system of the robot, guaranteeing the specific types of thrusters needed for the best navigability in the RoboSub tests. Software is responsible for the robot's intelligence and decision-making process, via treatment and fusion of sensor data. We simulate the whole RoboSub competition, so we can know if our AUV is able to conclude all the tests. Using SLAM algorithms, optimized by ROS, we're able to achieve quality autonomous navigation for our AUV. Beyond that, this year we focused a lot on our newest AUV. Our Hydrodynamics and Mechanics team is working non-stop to develop the best structure for our AUV. And through all the hard work from our technical team, we were able to add 3 new skills to our next AUV. Therefore, we can once again represent Brazil in the biggest competition of cutting-edge autonomous technology. Our team works together so Nautilus can be better each year, with constant improvement, moving towards victory. This is our AUV. This year, given our limited time to physically work on our robot, we decided to focus our efforts on getting the most points possible from all tasks that don't involve any object manipulation. Since the competition won't happen on a physical environment, we decided to simulate it on Gazebo with all the tasks that we would have performed. By doing so, we were able to make significant progress on the performance of our sub without the need to make direct changes to its hardware. So, we improved our sub software, allowing it to autonomously perform the coin flip, pass through the gate, follow the path, hit the buoys, and finally, emerge inside the confines of the octagon. With a lot of hard work, commitment, and dedication, the Nautilus team seeks to open new paths to autonomous navigation from each step we take, putting Brazil in the forefront of the development of AUVs and autonomous technology as a whole.